So if you say who else that we have on our team in the snoring treatment, we deal with a wide varieties of medical specialties. So we're working with GPs, we're working with ENT, we're working with the sleep study places, and we work with dietitian, because every one of those people, they do play a role into the treatment. Some people may require a weight loss program, some may require a surgical intervention from ENT to open the airway. So all these sort of things, that's what we try to pick up onto from the first assessment to actually help getting the best results for that individual.